doctor telling you that you have lung cancer, and the cause is being exposed to tobacco and smoking, how would you react? Hi everyone, it's an honor to be here with you today. Thank you for having me. I'm Dr. Kimberly Manlapat, a pulmonologist. Today, I'm going to tell you some of the negative impacts of tobacco on our health. A tobacco worker who plants, cultivates, and harvests tobacco may absorb as much nicotine as 50 cigarettes every day, according to the World Health Organization. When moist tobacco leaves are exposed during tobacco cultivation, nicotine poisoning, also known as green tobacco sickness, occurs. According to the World Health Organization, children are more prone to green tobacco disease because their body mass to nicotine absorption is correspondingly lower. Even while wearing protective clothing, it is difficult to avoid nicotine poisoning when working with tobacco plants. Tobacco contains a lot of nicotine, which is very addicting. It also makes your brain release a chemical called dopamine. This chemical provides you a greater energy, helps you focus, and makes you feel good, but the impact is very short. When the nicotine in your body fades, your brain desires more dopamine. The more dopamine you need to feel happy, the longer you've been smoking. You grow addicted to nicotine. If you get addicted to nicotine, you will experience withdrawal symptoms if you stop using it. It is possible that you're having trouble concentrating or that you're uneasy, restless, or irritated. People who are constantly exposed to tobacco have a higher risk to have a cancer, particularly lung cancer, because nicotine contains many chemicals that can harm DNA. DNA acts as the instruction manual for a cell, controlling its development and function. When a cell's DNA is damaged, it may begin to grow out of control, leading to the formation of a cancer tumor. Tobacco poisons can harm the immune system, making it more difficult to fight or kill cancer cells. The most important thing you can do to avoid cancer caused by tobacco is to stop smoking. However, we've learned that some smokers are unable to quit, even though many of them want to. So, what are the options for getting smokers to stop smoking tobacco, which is harmful to their health? Science and technological advancement have enabled them to create novel goods such as e-cigarettes, which provide an alternative to continuing to smoke. As a result, substituting smokeless goods for tobacco cigarettes is a natural progression. And while I understand that tobacco growing and production is a major source of income for many of us here, I just want you to know that I'm here speaking because I care for you. And I want to give awareness that tobacco exposure can cause cancer. And as I've said earlier, even wearing a protective clothing, it is difficult to avoid nicotine poisoning while working and being exposed with tobacco plants. Tobacco growing can be replaced with sustainable and alternative agricultural production, which is good for the environment, the economy, and of course, health. We can start planting bamboo to avoid the harm caused by tobacco. Giant bamboo and common bamboo can grow well in soil and agroclimatic conditions similar to those of tobacco. Bamboo is one of the world's fastest growing plants. Also, bamboo has a lot of use around the world. Bamboo is highly nutritious plant that is used to feed and treat people all over the world. The sturdy fibers are used to manufacture anything from floor mats to papers, fishing poles, and musical instruments. And it is beneficial to the environment. Bamboo releases oxygen into the atmosphere while absorbing greenhouse gases. It is also renewable resources that could aid in the conservation of the world's diminishing forest. Planting bamboo is a great and smart alternative to prevent lung cancer caused by tobacco. Always remember that what is good for you is also good for the environment. Thank you so much for your time.